warm worthy of special veneration and the perfectly self-enlightened one. Good morning, Venerable Kusanga, the devotees and dignitaries. As an opening of auspicious international conference on preservation of the rural Buddhist heritage, I would like to request to make a chanting, starting Modasa 3 times, and the verses of the virtues of the Buddha, the virtues of the Dhamma, and the virtues of the Sangha, and then followed by Nimidan verses 3 times, Vadu Sabha Mangalam verses 3 times, and Sabitiya verses. It will take time, approximately 3 minutes. So, Venerable Bhikkhu Sangha announced, let's get started our chanting by starting Modasa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Iti piso Bhagava Arahan Samma Sambuddho Veja Charana Sambano Sugato Loka Vidu Anuttara Purisa Dhammasarati Saddhati Wa Manusana Buddho Bhagava Swakato Bhagavata Dhammo Sanditiko Akaliko Ehipasiko Opanehiko Bechata Varita Vinyui Sopripano Bhagavato Savaka Sangho